beautiful people, hope you all are doing well and you're keeping safe. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Helen and kindly feel at home and feel welcomed. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for the love and support. God bless all of you. So guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be cooking chicken kuku, whichever way you call it. Kuna Kikuyu wanaita goko. I don't know the other tribes how they call it. So today that is what we are going to be preparing, and as you can see, I decided to start this video like from here to be showing you everything from step to step. So it's a step-by-step video, and I hope you will love and enjoy. And if you don't know how to prepare from kuchinja kuku and whatever, then this is the video that you are going to learn from today. Okay, so kindly, if you don't know, just watch this video till the end, and you'll be happy to learn something today and get motivated to just do it by yourself. So as you can see, tulikuwa tusha and penye place I was going to buy the chicken. Now we just came home. This is my husband lifting it, kupima weight. Okay, so for me, yes, I know how to chinja kuku, but I have that fear. I don't know if it's because I love animals. So nowadays it's really hard for me to cut anything. I always feel bad. So even recording this, I felt bad, but I had to do it. So you can see my husband is the one doing that. Ameichinja. So unaichinja hapa kwa shingo, and be careful because unaona ameshikilia. If you don't do that, inaanza kuzunguka because it takes times to die. Like so you can see it took time. So be careful unaishika na nguvu, and then use a sharp knife. I'll tell you to just use a sharp knife. And again, if you're staying in apartments like me, you know hakuna place yenye unaenda chini kumejaa mchanga. So you can just do this. Like for us, we did this in our bathroom. It was well, and then after that I washed it very well. Na unausieke kuku chini, tumia like you see for me we have used aka plate ndio hiyo damu iende hapo, but still ilimwagika nje kiasi, but it was not that much, so damu mingi haikuenda chini. But kama uko kwa compound yako, that's good. Place kuna something like haita kusumba, that's good. Okay, but even though if you don't have, then just put something small kama ni bucket, and then ikati hapo. Then after that, make sure you wash your bafu vizuri. Okay, so we are done kuchinja na English ni je slaughter ama so we are done with that part. So next, what we're going to do, I had already boiled my water. So unachukua ile maji moto kabisa, make sure ni maji moto, and then unamwagia kuku juu, unamwaga tu as you can see the video. Just do that, and then while you do that, ukisoku kwa maji moto kabisa, inakuwa easier kutoa hizi manyoya zake. So it will be really easy for you. Yes, you can do it with cold water, but it takes time. So I would advise just use hot water. As you can see, the water is really hot. Use hot water. And then this kuku, when I went to buy it, ilikuwa hata nilipata ikikula. So you can see imepupu hapo. And can you see the stomach? The way it's full. It's really full. Ilikuwa imeshiba, guys. I think that lady analisha kuku zake vizuri sana. But they were big. Well, they were big. And if you are around Barnabas and you would love to buy kienyeji or even broiler chickens, just inbox me, and I will direct or give you her number, the person who sells them, at a really good price. Okay, now you will be happy. Okay, so one thing I think why I'm recommending this, it's because nimeenda kwake, I've seen the place, it's clean. I can see like how, like venye tu, you know, you can go somewhere and observe like the things they are giving their chickens food with, like how is the place. The first thing, that's place, it's beautiful and it's clean because ni kwake, it's really clean. So hapo siwezi kosa kubai tena. So guys, sorry about that, nisimu nilikuwa nina receive. So as I was telling you, that lady, her place, it's really clean. So if you buy something from someone, just go and confirm it yourself. Usichukue tu kitu na ujue zinatunzwa. Okay, and so there, have you seen the way my cat, I'm telling you, animal ni animal too. Akiona akisikia harufu ya nyama mahali, that's it. At this point he was really crazy. As you can see, alikuwa hana amani. Like see, he was just trying to bite something, of which it's really hard. So, and so we have reached to this point. We were going to give him ikichwa because we don't cook that. I don't know if you at your home you do cook that, but luckily I have this small cat of ours, so alijibamba. Next utachukua kuku yako uichome hivi venye tunachoma, and the reason as why we are doing this, you see those tumanyoya zenye zina baki ukifanya hivi zinachomeka zote, so you're making it to be a bit soft. Yes, if I can use the word soft. So do that, and then at this point sasa utaanza kukata tu. You can cut them into whichever size that you love. Hapa kwa kukata haina stress. And so guys, I just wanted to let you know that or see how you can just slaughter your chicken, ama kuchinja kwa wale ambao wanaelewa Kiswahili. Kuchinja, I hope I've said the right one. Kuchinja, how you can just chinja your kuku and prepare it from scratch, like remove all the things, like the things that are supposed to be removed. So either the upper part, it's not really hard. Now when the hardest part, it's the inside, and this is where for me it becomes really hard, because kutoa hizo mamara, and then there's something like a little black, is it called knob? I mean, sorry, can't recall the name. So that thing is really hard. If you don't spot it or know how to remove it, then hawezi kula kuku yako, because itakuwa kali sana. So make sure unachinja tu vizuri, and then when you reach to this point of removing the inside things, the stomach things, now here you'll be really careful, because not everything inakuliwa. Okay, so chinja tu kuku yako pole, usikuwe na haraka, but when it comes to this point of this part, take your time, because if you mess a little bit, that's it, hiyo kuku hamtakula tena, because hiyo kitu ni kali. Kuna kitu ka black, hata I can't even recall in Kikuyu, remember in Kikuyu how we call it, but I'll show you guys. It's a really tiny thing, small, black in color, and that's the worst thing that you can even want to eat. Okay, so let's continue and I will show you. So guys, this is the part that I was telling you. You see this thing that it's black? That tiny thing. So be really careful when you're cutting it, when you're removing it, be careful. Because hata kisu kipitia tu hapo, that's it. You see the way it is? It has greenish color and then it has a yellow color. This thing, this one, the one that unaona iko different color, this one. So that's the thing that you're supposed to be really careful kutoa. Hizi zingine hazina shida, because even your cat ama your puppy haizi kula hiyo kitu, ni kali sana. It's like I can't say poison, but it's really bitter, so you can't even eat it. So just watch the way my husband was removing it slowly, like you cut the parts which were supposed to be eaten, and then that one you just leave it. Okay, so continue watching until you'll see how he managed to remove it. Okay. So guys, you see the way this thing, it's really hard to remove it. You really have to be careful. That part, yes. So be careful while removing it, because ukiharakisha then utapata tu umemess kidogo. So take your time. Take your time, okay? So let's finish removing all these parts and putting the ones that we're supposed to eat and the ones that are not supposed to be eaten aside. Okay, hizi mara zote utatoa. If you have a dog or a cat like me, then unaosha tu, unatoa hizo vitu za ndani, hizo pupu ndani, whatever, and then unaipatia. For my cat, it ate it. So you know, cats, it's 50-50. Dogs, okay, even dogs, I don't know if they normally eat it vizuri, but I know they're supposed to eat this. So ikate katikati, as you can see my husband doing, then ioshe to remove the dirty things, and then now you can just wash it again. Uioshe vizuri ndo upatie ikule. The same way you normally wash your food, even your pet. Ukipe food, make sure you clean it really well. So let's continue watching, and then now we start preparing our chicken, like So guys, after finishing like preparing hizo vitu zingine, now wash your chicken very well. Ioshe tu kuku yako vizuri. Rinse it like 2 times, and then now you boil it. And then when you're preparing this, make sure unatumia sufuria kubwa, okay? And then for the other these parts, this tumaramara, you can see we are just washing them really well. So after washing, squeeze everything that is inside, and then pitishia maji ya pili until it's clean, okay, before you give it to your cat. Okay, so that's it. And again, see here, our boy, he's full. Sasa sahi ni ku relax and rubbing his tummy because he's really full. So next we are going to start boiling our meat, ama chicken, ama kuku. So just take a big sufuria and then eka maji. For water, you can decide to put a lot or kidogo tu. So for us, you can see nimeiweka penye kuku imefika juu kidogo. So make sure unatumia sufuria kubwa, and then you'll add enough salt. And then I'm using rosemary, fresh rosemary. Tumia tu kiasi. And then now after that, you're going to use ginger and garlic. I'm not going to use a lot of spices while preparing this, but make sure at least you have ginger and garlic, even if you don't have rosemary. But there's something about rosemary. When you just cook your chicken, amata any meat with rosemary, there's something. So we are going to let this boil, and then now we will start cooking it. Okay, so see you later. Guys, just look the mistake I've done. Like, I've just opened up like 1 minute ago, and then I just closed it. I went, now look. Oh God. Wipe this first before I can continue cooking. I can't continue with it cooking with it looking like this. I can't honestly. Yeah, so at least we can continue cooking. So guys, our chicken is ready, and you can see the soup, it's really thick. So I just wanted to show you the things that we are going to use, because my phone, it doesn't have enough haina moto mingi, so I'm just recording this and then I can, and then I'll show you later. So what I'm using salt, sea salt, and then this is curry powder. I'm not using any other spices because I don't have even chicken masala, so I'll be using curry powder plain, and then I have tomatoes. The soup over here, I have onion, garlic, and 2 hojos, capsicum, and then our chicken. So this is the only thing that we are going to use, and then in the same sufuria that we boiled our chicken in, this is where we're going to cook it in. So let's start cooking. So I won't record like the whole part because phone yangu iko 10%, so I know haita make ku record like the whole process, but I'll try. So wait for our oil to heat, and then now we add our onions. Okay, so guys, while light is heating up, I wanted to show you how the chicken has cooked. Like guys, just see how tender it is. Inajitoa tu kwa bone. It has boiled really well. So guys, our oil is ready. We're just going to add our onion. And remember, since garlic when you baraka, now you'll cook your onions first, like 2 minutes, and then now you add the garlic. So we will let our onions cook. Make sure you heat your oil well. Okay guys, so you can see my oil imeheat vizuri. So we will wait for our onions to cook kidogo tu. Don't let them cook until they are brown, kidogo tu, and then now we add our garlic. So guys, at this point we are going to add in our garlic, because remember I told you we don't want our onions to turn. So next, while this is cooking, now at this point this is where you can add your spices. Ndio ive vizuri. Okay guys, so for me, since I told you guys that I'm going to only use curry powder, that's I have added in. Make sure you let your spice cook vizuri here. Any spice. So at this point you can add any spice of your choice. If you have chicken masala, if you have curry powder, if you have paprika, if you love any spices of your choice, you can add them at this point. Okay, but if you want to go natural way, just cook it with your onion and garlic and you'll be done. So we are going to let this cook for a few minutes, and then now we are going to add our capsicum, and then our tomatoes later. Okay, so guys, at this point, this is when you'll add in your capsicum, hoho. And what I want to do, for me, I'll add my tomato here, because I don't want my capsicum to overcook. So next we are going to add our salt, and remember we boiled our chicken with enough salt, so just add kidogo too, that's enough. So we are going to cover this and let it cook well, so that we can add our chicken. Okay, so guys, let's check on our tomatoes. You can see they are cooked well, so that's why I told you ukipika nyanya na hoho at the same time zitaibania tu. So at this point That's when I'm going to add in my alafu yangu sitaki kuiweka soup mob. I want it to be a bit dry. Let me mix this well. Like, just see how soft this chicken is. Mpaka ukifanya hivi, ona guys, imeiva vizuri, ili boil vizuri. So we will cover this and let it cook for a minute and then we come back. Let's check our chicken. So you can see so guys, another thing, if you don't want to spoil your chicken, you can, ukitaka kuweka supu, make a circle here, like so, or at the end, like so, and then, you remember our soup, just look how thick it is. Sorry about my finger, nimeweka ina, that's why it's like that. So this is what you're going to use, sitatumia yote, unaiwekea mwisho. Sieki mingi. So but if you want to add a lot of soup, then you can just add soup yote yenye umebakisha ndio boil nayo. Okay. Oops. What is this? We're going to let this boil kidogo and then now we can remove them. Because at this point it's ready. So nataka tu maji ipungue kidogo tu. So guys, it's been like 3 minutes. I added a little bit of soup, so you can see, because of my baby, I think this is enough. So at this point our chicken is done. It's D for done. So you see how simple it is to just prepare from the scratch to at the end. So this video I decided to just do it from the start, nikibai, nikikata, like everything, but my husband has done the most part because in the amezikatakata akachinja. So for me I just had to chemsha and kanga, and I really thank him and appreciate him for the help that he has offered, even though he doesn't like to be shown on camera, but let him, I baby feel appreciated. Okay, thank you so much. So that's how our chicken is, and we are done. So you can have this with chipo, rice, So for me, we're having it with initially we had to have it with chips, but fries, but we changed our menu and we're having it with rice because of time, because it has really taken a lot of time na nilianza kupika around 8, so you can imagine what time it is now. So nimeboil tu mchele mbio. Actually here it is mchele ya white too, so that's what we are going to have our chicken with. I have peas, so I'll be mixing this rice with peas ama tunaweza kula tu hivyo. So that's it guys, that's it, and I hope you have loved this video, and if you have, kindly don't forget to subscribe, and to all of you that have subscribed, thank you so much, and may God bless all of you. So kindly, if you haven't, don't forget to do that. It's absolutely free. You can see the word subscribe written down there. Just tap it. You just tap it, and that's it guys, and I'll appreciate your subscription. So sorry. So may God bless all of you, and till next time, bye bye. So guys, this is how it is looking like. Oh, yumminess.